Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to fix Battlefield 6. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game. Please make sure it is not running or restart your PC Proxifier. So if you are getting this error in the Battlefield 6 game, then here follow the steps to fix this error. The first step is to close the Proxifier from Task Manager. So right click on System Tray and then click on Task Manager. Now in the Task Manager, look for the Proxifier services, right click on it and then click on End Task. This will end the task for the Proxifier services. Now second step is to stop the Proxifier services via CMD. So in Windows search type CMD and open the command prompt as an administrator. Click yes to allow. Now in the command prompt you have to type this code. I have provided this code in my video description. You can copy paste it and then paste over here and hit enter. Now this will stop the services. In my computer I do not have the Proxifier services running, so it is showing the specified service does not exist as an installed service. But in your case, if it is installed, then it will stop the service for the Proxifier and then you can go ahead and launch the Battlefield 6 game and you will not receive this error. Now later when you want to restart the Proxifier services, then you can type this code in the command prompt and then you can start the Proxifier services. So I hope by following this step you can easily fix Battlefield 6 Proxifier error. This software cannot be used at the same time as the game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.